The audio system includes an AM/FM radio, USB interface, Bluetooth streaming audio, and if so equipped, Sirius XM radio. A variety of factors can affect satellite radio reception, including weather, trees, bridges, tunnels, parking garages, tall buildings, and ground-based AM or FM transmitters. To help ensure quality reception, avoid placing cargo in a way that blocks the satellite radio antenna. For more information on Sirius XM radio, visit this website. With the ignition switch in the on position, press this button or touch the audio icon on the launch bar to turn on the audio system. The system will automatically resume playing the last used audio source. While any audio screen is displayed, touching the audio key again will take you to the source selection screen. Touch this icon to display the browser screen, where you can access AM list, FM list, and saved favorites. Touch it again to return to the Now Playing screen, where you can access your audio controls. To adjust the settings for the audio system, touch Settings, Sound, then the audio feature you wish to adjust. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.